Hello, honest option traders. It's a wonderful day to discuss option trading, and I'm so excited that you guys are here today. This is how I see it. I admire that you're trying to make some solid and some reliable revenue from the stock market and options trading. Look, I get it. But look, it's not as easy as skipping through a field. It's more like skipping through a dark forest with lots of roots in it, where you can trip all the time, and you will trip. That's inevitable. Now, in my experience, the people who make money in options trading are disciplined, they're patient, and they're dogged. They keep on it. So here at Honest Options, I have three major goals that I'd like to accomplish. One is to demonstrate and teach the reality of options trading. Two is to be completely honest and candid to you about the highs and the lows as I've experienced them. And three is to give you some specific and actionable details to work with. I've researched a ton of guru sites. I've read lots of books and articles on options trading. And I've even subscribed to a few of those guru sites just to see what was under the hood. And I'm a little disappointed, honestly. Far too many of them give you only really vague ideas of what to do for trading. And I'm a numbers guy. I like the mechanics of going through steps. Now, many of them are great at teaching the basics, but when it comes to day-to-day and week-to-week trading, I feel like they leave you in the dark. There are questions that personally I ask when I'm reading these things or listening to these gurus, like what delta do I choose? What's the timing of the roll? But what's a good exit strategy? And should I know about this thing called the Black-Scholes model? Now, I think that one of the reasons these so-called gurus are so strong on the enthusiasm and vague on the details is it's really hard to commit to the numbers in a system. It's really easy to get caught up in the moment of the trade, and in the long run, it doesn't really do any good. It's all about the discipline. As far as the so-called gurus are concerned, I really don't think they're hiding any secrets from you necessarily. They simply don't have any real or valuable secrets to give you. There is no silver bullet, no one-shot deal, no pattern that really is as reliable as they say it is. So how can they be hiding anything? They're just as much in the dark about stock options as you are. The difference is they started with a lot more luck than you did, and it's given them the time and the experience of stumbling around to a point where they can recognize the vague shapes that pass through the forest. They can see the upcoming cliff sometimes. And really, given enough time and luck, it can seem like they know what they're doing. But unless they share their light source with you, their flashlight, their torch, most of this guru education isn't going to get you anywhere. And that should seem reasonable to everyone. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. And to be candid, I can't offer you a flashlight either. But what I can do is generate some sparks for you. And hopefully these sparks will give enough light to you so that you have more than a vague sense of shapes in a dim lit fog. And once you have enough of these sparks under control, I think that you can control your own fire, light your own torch, and go on to your own way, managing your financial freedom. Thanks for joining me on this journey. And let's go ahead and get trading. Now, that's assuming that the market conditions are in accordance to our pre-planned strategy and we have sufficient capital and the necessary knowledge with which to place a trade. Yeah, I'm not kidding. That's how this is going to roll out. Honestly.